Hello, TECH24 family. It's your go-to source for everything cutting edge in the tech universe. If you haven't hit that subscribe button yet, now's the time. Give us a thumbs up if you're excited about what we're diving into today. The iPhone 16 Pro Max. Apple's gearing up to push the boundaries once again in September 2024, and we've got all the juicy details on what to expect. So, let's not waste another second and jump right in. Apple's iPhone 15 Pro Max set the bar incredibly high, becoming a benchmark in the smartphone world. But as we all know, technology waits for no one, and Apple is not one to rest on its laurels. With the iPhone 16 Pro Max on the horizon, expectations are sky high. From what we've gathered, Apple is planning to introduce a slew of upgrades that could make this the most exciting iPhone launch yet. First off, rumors suggest we're looking at larger screens for both the iPhone 16 Pro and Pro Max. We're talking about stepping up to a 6.9-inch display for that extra immersive experience. And if that's not enough to pique your interest, there's chatter about an additional button designed to enhance your photo and video capturing capabilities. With optical zoom also getting a long-distance upgrade, Apple's clearly setting its sights on dominating the camera phone market even further. Now, let's talk launch dates and pricing. Apple typically unveils its new iPhones in early September, with sales kicking off shortly after. The iPhone 15 Pro Max came with a hefty price tag, starting at $1,199. Given the enhancements we're expecting with the iPhone 16 Pro Max, don't be surprised if that price climbs even higher. But for the tech aficionados among us, it just might be worth every penny. As for the design, the iPhone 16 Pro Max might just be the largest iPhone we've seen, with a rumored 6.9-inch screen. The introduction of under-display Face ID could give us a sleeker, more uninterrupted display. Plus, with rumors of a new capture button, Apple seems to be doubling down on providing users with a more intuitive and seamless photography experience. When it comes to camera capabilities, the iPhone 16 Pro Max is expected to take things to a whole new level. With talk of a super telephoto periscope camera and a 48MP ultra-wide sensor, Apple is clearly focusing on giving users unparalleled photo and video quality. The potential for a stacked sensor could also mean significant improvements in low-light performance, setting a new standard for mobile photography. Under the hood, we're likely to see the Apple A18 Pro chip paired with at least 8GB of RAM. There's also buzz about Wi-Fi 7 support and a new 5G modem, promising faster data speeds and more efficient power consumption. And with rumors of a 2TB storage option, Apple is making sure you'll have plenty of space for all those stunning photos and videos. As we eagerly await the iPhone 16 Pro Max's debut, there are a few things on our wish list. We're hoping for more daring color options, faster charging capabilities, and maybe even an under-display camera that doesn't compromise on quality. Apple has a history of turning the seemingly impossible into reality, and we can't wait to see what innovations the iPhone 16 Pro Max brings to the table. That's a wrap on our sneak peek at the iPhone 16 Pro Max. Are you as excited as we are? Let us know in the comments below what features you're most looking forward to. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on all things tech. Until next time, stay tech savvy, friends.